Good morning. Welcome to Coffee and a Forecast. It is Wednesday, March 7th. How are you? I would salute, but my coffee's pretty much gone. I need another cup, which I'll get here as soon as I'm done with this. It is 5:26 in the morning. Probably won't be able to post this till almost 6:30 because it takes that long for it to render and stuff, but I'm working on that. Meanwhile, the weather has been very interesting, don't you think? Yesterday was a windy day, but we were predicting areas of blowing dust and wind gusts over 40. It wasn't quite that bad, and I haven't heard anyone complain about it yet. We did have a peak wind gust at the Tucson International Airport of 33 miles an hour. So, winds about 10 miles an hour lower than what we were fearing. So it turned out to be a better day, although it was still kind of windy. We had a high of 82, and our average high is 72, and our record high 93, so 82 is right in the middle of those. Let's see, our low is 47, pretty close to our average. We have not added to our rainfall totals. Only 2,200 so far at the airport. Now here in Oro Valley, we're close to like 3/4 of an inch for the year. So we've had about a ½ inch more, but even that would still give us quite a deficit. So it's pretty dry out there. It's going to be another windy day too, so another high fire danger day. In fact, there's a lot of wind in our forecast. Not just today, but Friday looks like another really windy day. Sunrise this morning at 6:43, sunset tonight at 6:26. You can look at all this information your own self at tucsonweather.us. Here is our 3-day forecast. Winds today gusting over 30 and cold air pouring in behind a cold front that blew in overnight. I was I awoke. Anyway, the wind woke me up several times overnight. It was pretty gusty. And it's still a little breezy out there now, but it's calmed down. And the cold air pouring in behind the cold front. So it's not that cold yet, but it's not going to warm up much from this morning's temperature. 63 today's high. Again, winds gusting over 30. Tonight, breezy in the evening. Winds relaxing overnight. Partly cloudy skies, 35 by morning. Tomorrow, not much wind, just 5 to 10 miles an hour. A high of 65 with sunshine. It is a beautiful day right here. Then the winds start picking up again on Thursday. I don't know why I put breezy here. It's going to be windy on Friday. Winds gusting over 40 miles an hour, looks like, and a high near 70. And the weekend looks great. Low 70s, not too much wind on Saturday, and mid 70s with hardly any wind on Sunday. So real nice weekend coming up. Okay, so windy overnight, keeping the air mixed up, and the cold front just now moving through. And then the cold air will pour in behind it. So we won't see temperatures recover too much from our current temperatures now at 5:30. Here's 58. That's probably close to Sahuarita. Here's a 55, Nogales Airport, 55, Sierra Vista, 52, Bisbee Douglas Airport, and a 50 in Casa Grande. Safford at 59, so kind of warm. Again, that wind blowing overnight keeps the air stirred up, so the heat has a tougher time escaping into space. 60 right now in Marana, and near 60 at the airport, 59, 58 Benson. There's a 35 up in Summer Haven, and Cascabel at 57. Haven't heard from Cascabel in a while. Oh yeah, I quit doing Coffee and a Forecast for about a month. All right, temperatures, look at this, upper 50s to near 60 across the metro right now. Here is what's going on. You can see the low has really formed into a tight little low now, centered right over the center of Utah. Here's the cold front that has blown through overnight. So here's Phoenix, here's Tucson. The clouds just now clearing Tucson associated with the front. So here's the front already blown through. Here's the low. And then you can see this trough of low pressure behind the low. And this is the cold air spilling in behind it and moving into the state. So here are the chilly temperatures coming in following the front. And this is a powerful little low that's going to bring some more snow to the Rockies of Colorado and Utah. Are the Rockies in Utah? So it's going to be nice for ski areas which have seen a lot of snow as of late, and they're going to add to those totals. Here is the forecast for the rest of the country. Snow. For a big swath of the middle of the country here, we're talking from the Great Lakes, so northern Michigan, the UP of Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska. It's like a geography lesson. Wyoming, Colorado, northern New Mexico, northern Arizona, and Utah with snow in the forecast. And then there's our cold front that's moved on through, so the cold air coming in behind that today. And ahead of the system, rain for much of the East Coast, and rain and thunderstorms here across parts of Texas and into Oklahoma and Arkansas. Storm Prediction Center. When you see a circle like this and it says see text, it's like we're expecting some thunderstorms in here, and maybe a few of them might be severe or close to that, and so some strong storms possibly in this area right here, Oklahoma and Missouri, Arkansas and Kansas. Oops. See, you can go over each thing here. That's pretty cool too. So that's the convective outlook. See text. Here's our forecast. Excuse me, voice going. A little bit breezy today, winds gusting over 30. Cold air spilling in behind the front, 63. Breezy tonight, early, and then calm winds by morning, 35. Tomorrow, beautiful day, 65 with sunshine. And then the winds kick up by Friday. Sorry, I should have put windy here. Winds gusting over 40, a high of 70. Saturday, maybe some lingering breezes, 72. Sunday, hardly any wind, sunshine, 75. Very nice weekend coming up. Thanks for tuning in. Coffee and a Forecast. TucsonWeather.us is the website. Like us on Facebook. Circle us on Google+. I was looking for the thing. And then all of this stuff gets tweeted out too. So I think the Facebook and the website will get you covered pretty well. Thanks for tuning in. And we will talk weather again tomorrow and probably in between on all of those social networks that I just talked about. Have a good day. See, stop capture.